Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Chicken Tikka Boats. Making chicken tikka. First, marination. Take 300 grams chicken fillet. You can also cut it into pieces. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add some lemon juice. Combine well. Keep aside for 15 minutes. Time for second marination. Add 100 grams curd. 1 teaspoon tikka tandoori masala. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Pinch of red food color. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add some mustard oil. Combine well. Put burning charcoal. Add some oil ghee. Cover and smoke the chicken 3 to 4 minutes to impact the smoky flavor. Remove the coal. Now let it marinate for 1 hour. Add some oil. Grease the pan with oil. Put marinated chicken pieces on the hot pan. On a medium flame, cook 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Flip the sides. Cook 7 more minutes from the other side too. Press and cook because fillet is thick. Remove when grilled marks appear. Cut the chicken fillet. Again, cook for 2 to 3 more minutes in a similar pan. Step 2. Take stand and stuff tortilla boats. Separate the boats. Arrange boats on baking tray. You can also brush some oil and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 4 to 5 minutes. Let it cool down a bit. Meanwhile, make the stuffing. Step 3. For stuffing. In a mixing bowl, add any salad of your choice. 1/4 cup mixed bell peppers julienne cut. 1 sliced tomato. Handful of cilantro. 1 chopped green chili. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add some lemon juice. Add cooked chicken tikka juliennes. Give it a good mix. Toss the chicken well. Our stuffing is ready to fill. Step 4, making garlic mayo sauce. Add plain mayonnaise in a bowl. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon parsley or Italian seasonings. Add pinch of garlic powder. Give it a good mix. Our garlic mayo is ready. Step 5. It's assembling time. Take baked tortilla shells. Fill tortilla boat shells with tikka stuffing. Put garlic mayonnaise that we've prepared. Pour piri-piri or tandoori mayonnaise. Pour some ketchup. Instead, you can also add barbecue sauce. Do this for all the remaining. Piri-piri mayonnaise. Dollop of garlic mayo. Tomato ketchup. These looks and taste so good. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Repeat the same procedure for all. Do try this super delicious Tikka Boats recipe and satisfy your cravings. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.